Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view your watch history on YouTube TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open a web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Once you're logged into your YouTube TV account, click on your account icon in the upper right corner to open the menu. Next, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, find the Privacy option and click on it. This is where you can manage your watch and search history. If you want to pause your watch history or search history temporarily, you can toggle these switches on or off. To manage your history further, click on View to access your YouTube history page. Here, you can see what has been saved in your watch history. If you want to stop saving your watch history altogether, you can turn this option off. If you want to delete specific items from your history, simply click the X next to the item. You can also delete in bulk by clicking on Delete and choosing options like deleting items from today, a custom range, or everything saved. So that's basically how you can view and manage your watch history on YouTube TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.